Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another Sunday Live. And in case you are new to the channel, we do Sunday Live every single Sunday except when I'm traveling or somehow I miss that. So far now I have just missed only one Sunday Live because I was traveling from Mumbai and there were some big things going on, so that's why. So hello Rajneet, hey Aniket, hey Kuldeep, hey Nikhil, hey everybody. We are gonna wait for a little bit while. Hey Rahul, hey everyone. We are gonna wait a little bit while so that more people can join up and can ask their questions. In the meantime, you can hit your like button there so that I can know that you are there. It's a good indication for me to check out there. So don't forget to hit that like button. The past week has been a little bit busy. I did travel, two travel in the nation in India and one travel abroad. All happened in just 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. So it was a very busy schedule and we are going up really good. There are a lot of things to be planned up here and more focus need to be given to the YouTube channel. More awesome stuff is gonna come up and amazing things are going up. Definitely do hit the like button there. I can see the likes going. Why you try university and Velamal University? I'm having. That's why it seems to be a little bit bad. I just fix that up. Okay, so yep. I'm good, power consumer. Looks nice there. So we are gonna get started here very soon. You can start asking your questions. We are gonna spend a little bit time here. It's been long. It's been long that I haven't talked to you uh, on these Sunday lives. So it's always amazing. A lot of questions are flooding up. Let's start taking questions now. Dinesh says, "How are you?" I'm absolutely fine. A little bit tired. Uh, because I traveled so much. It's still like a jet lag thing. So that's why we are gonna say. Let's answer a question. There is a good one here from Raj Brothers. What would you suggest to a fresh graduate student having some kind of little experience and trying to reside in New Zealand or Australia or Canada or Europe? I would say Canada would be good for IT people because yes, there are equal opportunities in New Zealand and Australia, but they are not very heavy opportunities. There are not very extreme opportunities in New Zealand and Australia as of now. Yes, there are good startups and all these coming up in the New Zealand and Australia, but for IT industry, Europe is growing really well and it's a nice continent. You will enjoy there quite a lot. Of course, US is there, but I prefer Europe all the days. Okay. Can I use Firebase with PHP? Yes, of course, you can use Firebase with PHP. There are a little bit here and there that you have to manage, but yes, of course, it's completely doable and it's completely awesome. Uh, can I have Can you give some ideas for some Android apps? I worked on some basic app. If you have worked on already on basic app, try to make clones. Clones is always a good thing in Android. Making clone of Uber, Snapchat, Twitter, or maybe Instagram, YouTube even. So these are always good. So go ahead, get started. Best colleges in India to study game development. I am not sure that there is any college in India that specifies or gives you a degree specialization in game development. I don't think so. That it is there, but I'm not sure. I'm not aware of that. If you know any of that, I would really like to know and get in touch with those guys. Ashish Nair says, "How's Chennai?" Chennai is amazing. I really wanted to spend a little bit more time in Chennai. I made really good friends there, and one thing that I always love about the Chennai is their hospitality and how much respect they give to other people. I absolutely love the way that how they treated me over there. It was an overwhelming feeling, and I absolutely loved that. The one thing that I loved at Chennai is especially the dosa. The dosa that is here in the northern part of the country is nowhere near what actually the dosa is in Chennai. I loved it very much there. Okay, I'm working as a Java developer from last 1 year. I'm following you from a while. The thing is, I'm not satisfied with my job and salary or anything. I want to quit. Please suggest something. If you're already working in Java, Jyotsna there, You can always switch into Android. It's so easy. You're already aware of the Java. It would be pretty easy for you to switch into the Android. Of course, the next thing that comes up to you, which would be really easy for you to switch, would be Selenium and Appium, kind of a testing thing. So I think you should definitely learn that. For your experience, if you are already working as a 1 year as a programmer in Java, I think within like 2 months you can be good, pretty good in Android, and within like month or month and a half you can be really good in Selenium. So choose whatever you want in these two options. Uh, okay, let's pick up. There's a good question from Rajesh here. He says, why don't you upload something about ASP.NET or any Microsoft technologies? The point is, on this channel, I really like to upload on the things on which already I'm having some kind of experience, even the little experience or a little mastery kind of thing. But with the Microsoft technologies, I did learn ASP.NET in my college times, but didn't created any kind of a big scale project in that. Not even a project with like 1,000 users, not even like that. So that's why I don't talk much about the ASP.NET, because it has changed quite a lot from where I learned it. And right now I'm not having any mastery in that. That's why ASP.NET is not there. Yes, in the future videos, you will see videos on Xamarin, because I once worked on a project on Xamarin. Not much heavily onto the Xamarin, but it's going to be. Can you come to a small level institute for a session? Yes, Vivek, there is no such thing as a small college or big college. It's totally okay. But the only thing that I look forward when any college is inviting me, because obviously when I come or visit to any college, it's a lot of time that I am consuming there, and time is the most valuable thing. If you have already watched my videos, I consider time as my top priority. But still, the only thing that I asked for the college is to bear my air travel as well as my stay. I usually prefer to come on in the morning to the college and leave by the evening, because it saves me a little bit time. But of course, coming to a college, bearing my own expenses and own travel doesn't really make sense. I have other works to do. So only thing that I asked from the colleges is you have to manage my travel. I'm not going to manage it on my own. Apart from that, a small college or big college doesn't really matter. You can invite me at any college. I would be really happy to visit there. Okay. Uh, you are my inspiration. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uh, Okay, is it real Java is going to end because of Kotlin? No, it's not like that. Node.js came out and PHP didn't die there, but still a lot of people are switching to Node.js. This doesn't mean PHP is dying. Similar situation is there. Java is not going to be dying because of the Kotlin. More and better options to prepare just the Android apps. So it's not like that Java. Which in India? That's a tough question. There's no such thing as bad or worse or anything like that. So all I can stop in that we connect. Come on, internet, don't do this to me. Okay, we are connected back. We are connected back. Okay, I think the lagging will be stopping now. I was trying out onto a different connection, but looks like it didn't work out well. I'm back onto my regular connection. Things will be good within a few seconds. Give it a time. Okay, so I was talking about progressive web apps. Yes, definitely progressive web app. One video is coming up on the YouTube channel talking about all progressive web apps, how it is being done, how you can test an app, whether it's a progressive or not. And that's what it's almost left for editing purpose. I think it will be uploaded by tomorrow. Let's just see that. Are you app developer? Yes, I design apps and websites as well. Sometimes I work on a more big projects as well. So yes, I do that. In case you want to know about me, what I do, you can visit learncodeonline.in or hiteshchaudhary.com. It will give you more idea if you don't know what I do and what I like to do. How much money do you make in a month? Enough to live a happy life, travel to some countries like in a year or so, and drive my nice Harley Davidson. That's what I make. Not much, but enough. Please fix the time for Sunday Live. I'm trying my best to fix the Sunday Live, but these travels and so much of the work is actually not allowing me to fix the Sunday Live. I would really like to have a Sunday time fixed up, and meet more people than what we are meeting right now, because the crowd is growing so much at this channel. I would love to meet all of you. But right now, YouTube videos, the clients that I already have for my living, the courses that we are pushing up on Learn Code Online, and Learn Code Online is coming up as a big project, so I have to focus that on as well. It's so much that is going on, so that's why. Okay. Any Node.js offline bootcamp is organized in Jaipur. Right now, I'm not organizing any offline bootcamps in country. Talking about Jaipur, it's not in Jaipur. It's not even in the country yet. So I would say is join the online bootcamps which are available at learncodeonline.in as of now. Maybe later on we'll do that. Giveaway result. Yes, giveaway result will be coming up, I think today or tomorrow, wherever that time is. It will be on time. You will be getting emails in your inbox in case you are selected there, and I will be waiting for your reply for 24 hours. In case the 24 hours are gone and you haven't replied, I'll pass that opportunity to somebody else. Okay, do you have any apps hosted on Play Store? Right now, just one, learncodeonline.in. I did had many apps and they are all on the GitHub or from other accounts of the client's accounts. I just like to push the app which makes money and are fruitful. I don't push apps like games and stuff which doesn't really make much money for me at least. So right now just one app, learncodeonline.in. Check that out if you are interested in that. Okay, Android app development laptop under 50K. I've already made a video on the best laptop. Go ahead on my channel and look out for the best laptop for programming. It's already there, and I have mentioned a few links there as well. Okay, okay, let's pick up more questions. It's so good to be talking to you all of you guys. Uh, some people are asking for my contact number. No, I don't have. I don't like to have a contact number in public. Okay, wanna come from Chennai. Thank you so much, Alantraj. I absolutely loved in Chennai, and I would really like to come back again to that place. Chennai, Bangalore. These are like amazing places. I always love to visit them. Okay. Hey, it's good to see you here. Was waiting for your Sunday live. Thank you so much. I'll try my best very soon to fix up a specific time for Sunday live. But it's so tough for me to manage all these things. Arindam says, "Hey Tesh, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. So fine. How are you, Mr. Please post down in the comments below. Is MacBook Air good for programming? Absolutely, no problem at all. Some of my friends are doing full scale app development on MacBook Air. No problem at all. I like you. I like you too. Come Uttarakhand. Loved to come Uttarakhand. I have visited it once. It's absolute beauty to be there. I would really like to come there. Completed your Android course from LCO. Firebase section was awesome. Thank you so much. More courses are gonna come up on Android very soon. Specific courses on designing the apps and everything. So much need to be done. Uh, are you do live performance? Performance? What do you mean by performance? I don't dance at stages. What do you mean by that? Just kidding there. Uh, okay. Is Python best for automation? There's no such thing as best or worst. If it serves your purpose, then it's good. NickTube. Okay, that is a nice logo that you have designed for NickTube. Really, really nice there. I liked it, NickTube. Thumbs up for that. Sir, how can I start my own software startup? Learn to design software for people, or either design your own product. Okay, let's pick up more questions. How to implement machine learning in Android? There are some modules and library for Android that are coming up very soon on a full scale for Android as well. I'll notify you that on my channel very soon as they come up. How to be successful as you while working at home? I would say start learning. The more technologies you will have, it would be more easier for you to get successful. Because let's just say a client came up to you and he asked that, hey, I want to design a website for this. And you said, okay, I'm going to do it. And then he says, hey, my website is growing. I need a more back-end solution for that. Can you do that? And when you say yes, it's more money that's coming up. And then the client says, hey, I really want you to design an Android and iOS app for this. So it's a whole package that you can give to just one client, and you can earn pretty good there. So learn as much as technologies as possible. That is going to help you to learn quite a lot. So Prasad says, Sir, you are like mentor for me. Thank you so much. I'm really so happy that I'm able to motivate a lot of people through my channel to promote programming and coding. I never said that always learn from Learn Code Online or from my channel as well. I always say that explore more options as long as you can. So yes, definitely when you buy from Learn Code Online or watch this channel videos, it really helps. But all I'm saying is keep learning from wherever the sources are, whoever the instructor is, respect those instructor and keep learning, keep exploring your options. The whole motto of this channel is to promote programming, to give people actually the things which are fun and enjoyable in programming. And I'm really happy that I'm able to serve this purpose, and we are moving towards the 100,000 subscriber, which in itself is a benchmark in the YouTube community. That yes, the channel is growing, and it's just one of the many milestones that we are gonna hit up. So we are looking forward for this kind of things. We all are gonna hit it very soon. Okay, let's pick up more questions. How to get more downloads on Android app? It's not a trick that you can do for getting more downloads. If your app is good, it serves something, it's amazing game, or it's just kind of a utility app or something like that, it will automatically get downloads. But you can share it on social media. You can write a blog on that. Medium, a blog on Medium would be really nice boost if you can do that. So definitely. How to get started with GSOC? I would be talking about GSOC and everything in Google Developer Conference. I have a couple of invites from Google Developer Conference. I would be talking about them at that conferences. So if you are in nearby Punjab, I'm very soon coming to Punjab as well. So if you are nearby there, definitely do say hello to me if you are there in the Punjab area. Okay. Uh, Machine learning or data analysis? I would say data analysis could have been really better in India. Machine learning, there are not amazing and huge opportunities as of now. It will be surely there in future, but as of now, data analysts are really skyrocketing in all over the country. Okay, can I post my story website on Star Student in November or December? Anytime, anytime. Just shoot the email, Khushbu, and I would be really happy to read your stories. But the most important part is not the story. Story should have a happy ending, and what the happy ending is here is a project, something that you have came up. So make sure you post the project first and then the story later on the second part of the email. This is most important in order to get featured at the Star Student section of the. How is Firebase frequently used in today's industry? Quite a lot. Startup are using it like anything. Later on, you will be moving on to different database, Rapid.io, or maybe backendless or something, but it's almost same reading documentation and stuff. Have you visited to Nagpur? No, I haven't ever been to Nagpur. I guess so. I have no idea, but I think as long as I remember, I have never been to Nagpur. Course on React.js. It's already there at Learn Code Online. Course on React.js, including 10 apps, 10 projects that you'll be creating in React.js. And of course, some basics of React Native is already included there. So I hope it answers your questions. Okay. I want to be independent as all-rounder. All-rounder, give me tips, bro. Learn a lot of programming languages, and then you'll be only able to do it all-rounder kind of things. Okay, a lot of questions coming up. Job. Okay, somebody is spamming there. Yeah, somebody with the name of account Roshni R is spamming. So don't believe on these guys who says money, and you'll be able to make $1,000 in a month. No, this doesn't happen. When are you coming to Pakistan? No, as of now, I do have a plan to US, and if you visit like Pakistan just before the US, they makes a lot of trouble. So that's why I have cancelled my trip. I have a lot of invitation from Pakistan. A lot of people just are reading from my courses, learning from them. I absolutely would like to visit maybe someday. I'm not sure. But as of now, since because of the US plan, I have actually delayed it. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little bit trouble for me in the visa and stuff. So sorry about that. Okay. So iOS development. Hi Sahil, iOS developer course for iOS 11 is already available at Learn Code Online. Hey Ankit, same answer to you as well. It's already available in Learn Code Online. Mayank says, where in Punjab, exact place? I'm not sure. I can tell you about the exact place right now. I think it would be in nearby Jalandhar or Phagwara. I'm not sure exactly because I haven't got that detailed yet. But all these details, as soon as they come to me, I will be posting them on my Facebook page. I cannot see the likes rising up now. So, hey people, if you're still with me, do hit that like button. I really want to see that number going up. Can you please start doing that right now? Come on. Yep, I can see that now going up. Really nice. Thank you. Where do you live? I am right now in Jaipur, home sweet home. When are you visiting Bangladesh? Didn't got any invite from Bangladesh as of now. So no, no future plan of visiting the Bangladesh as of now. Okay. Uh, let's answer some of the more questions. Uh, how much money you make in YouTube? I cannot tell you exact figure that how much I'm making in that. But yes, of course, it's. I can say that it's not in three digits. Of course, in US dollar, it's not in three digit. It's more than that. It's pretty good, pretty good. Happy with that. Even in the month, on a monthly scale, it allows me to travel here and there a little bit. It's not like huge is coming from the YouTube. It's not like that, but it's pretty decent. I won't lie on that. It's pretty decent. It's not that bad. Where do you live? I live in the beautiful city of Jaipur in Rajasthan. It's an amazing place, nice, clean, little bit oldish kind of city, less populated, nice people here. So I love this city, Jaipur. Okay, let's pick up. Uh, how much you spend in development field? How much you spend? You're talking about time or money? Because in the money part, I have spent a lot. And the time part, yes, again, I have spent a lot. Uh, Machine learning will replace our development job within next year. Just to give you a little bit context onto that, a driverless car are also coming up. So do you really think that the driverless car are going to replace all the drivers' job within next 5 years or 10 years? Answer this first to yourself. No, this is not like that anybody is going to replace the programmer's job or something like that, at least for near 5 or 10 years. And instead of just getting worried about that, don't do that. Because even if your job is getting replaced or something, you should be onto the same page where other people's are. Everybody needs programmer. Don't be misguided there. Okay. Uh, Thank you so much for answering. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. How you can make your video background. Sometimes it's like green screen, you can see that behind me, but most of the time it's not. Most of the time I use my cameras and DSLR in just my room, so that's how I make my backgrounds. Okay. Is AWS right path for IT? Yes, of course. Amazon Web Services, if you want to get a mastery in that, it's always good, always good. A lot of people use that, so definitely. Giveaway results. Yes, very soon I'm gonna post that. I actually came back from a lot of travel. I got a little bit tired, and definitely from I guess today or tomorrow we'll be announcing the results of giveaway. Very soon, very soon. Okay, how long do you work a day? Uh, I haven't calculated that, but usually I get up around like 6 o'clock in the morning, then half an hour of exercise, 1 hour of swimming, then planning and detail, and I sleep around like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the night. So I haven't actually calculated much of that, but yes, a lot of my time goes in working and all that stuff. Uh, when Jaipur meetup? Jaipur meetup, yeah, I have to plan the Jaipur meetup. But I don't think so. I have no idea how many people are interested in having a Jaipur meetup. I'll post a status on my wall on my Facebook page and I'll see how many people are interested. If at least we are getting like 10 people or so, we can definitely plan that out. Surely. So you live in India? Yes, I prefer to stay most of the time in India, but yes, I do have some residence and some stays in Paris as well. I love to go there and stay there for a while. I do have my friends in some good part of Australia as well, and they are programming friends. So definitely, I sometimes go there as well. Uh, okay. Okay, let's pick up more question. MacBook Air versus MacBook Pro versus iMac. If budget is not an issue, I would go for iMac. In fact, I do have an iMac here. If you can see that, there we go. It's turned off. I haven't turned it on yet. If budget is not an issue, I would go for a iMac. If budget is a little bit down, go for MacBook Pro. And if budget is really, really tight, go for MacBook Air. Okay, any study material available at LCO? Do hit at courses.learncodeonline.in. Amazing study material. It's a website full of study material. So I don't know why you actually asked that. Were you not able to find courses or apps or anything like that? So definitely look around on more on the website. It's full of. Uh, you are like mentor, sir. Thank you so much. I really love to have all of your questions. Cloud computing courses. No, as of now, cloud computing is not yet planned. We are looking forward. A lot of things need to come up. Sorry, I'm here. Why are you so sorry, Harshvardhan? No need to be sorry. Must answer. If I learn Python, will I be able to adapt to other programming languages? To note, I don't even have programming background. Yes, of course. Once you switch in any language, whether it's a Python, whether it's Java, whether it's C, because the flow is always the same in all programming language. All programming language have loops. All programming language have variables. All of them are having if and else condition. All of them are having functions. Most of them are having classes as well. So it will surely help you if you'll just start with any language. Okay. Higher studies or placement, you can do a flip a coin and can go with that. Both of them are amazing, so flip a coin and decide if you can do that. Okay. Name Harshvardhan Singh is your name. My name is Hitesh. uh, Front camera is good. Yes, this is front camera from OnePlus 5 and there is a review coming up on OnePlus 5 very soon. I don't do reviews much of the time, but yeah, this time I decided to have one. So definitely it's gonna come up. Please reply Android course or Java bootcamp. In case you are absolutely not aware with the Java, I would recommend to start with Java bootcamp. If you're already familiar with the things like if else and loops and classes in Java, directly jump onto Android course. Okay. Sir, IT sector will fall down in 2020. I don't think so. You are already talking on YouTube, which is an IT sector. You are working on a mobile, which is an Android, which is also an IT sector. All of your TVs are into IT sector. They are all smart TVs. Your cars are smart TV. You use Uber. You order food online from Food Panda or Zomato. You give ratings on Zomato. How can you even expect that it's going to fall down? I don't think so. It's going to happen very soon. You order everything from Amazon. So for these kinds of job, people do need people who know programming. Okay. Uh, let's pick up more questions. Is masters really worth it? It's good if you are doing it like with full honesty. It's really good there. Uh, uh, yes, of course. Mr. Bhatt says, how come IT is gonna be away now? Everything is IT. Yes, of course. It's an unavoidable path that human race has actually adopted. They have moved into IT and there is no going back. It's gonna be like that. Okay, how to be billionaire. As soon as I'm a billionaire, I'll surely share. I'll surely share with that. For $1 million, I can share now because I have actually earned that much throughout in life that as of now. But for $1 billion, I haven't reached there. Okay. Okay, so somebody says, shall I follow Sandeep Maheshwari for motivation? Surely I'm not aware about. I have seen his couple of videos on YouTube. They are pretty good. Wherever you get the motivation, you don't need to follow constantly to anybody, to me or to Sandeep or anybody. Once you get the motivation, start working on it. Just watching like tons of videos on motivations are not gonna do anything productive. Once you've got motivation from anybody or from anywhere, that's it. Start working on something. No need to just day and night keep watching those videos of motivation. They're not gonna do anything like that. It's not like that I'm against Sandeep Maheshwari or me or anybody else. The whole goal of motivation somebody is to get you started in working on some project, and as long as you are done with that, I think the purpose is solved. Okay, is math concept is important for deep learning? Yes, you absolutely need to be amazingly good in math for machine learning as well as in deep learning. These are the couple of domains in the IT industry which requires you to have amazing knowledge of math, including all those like Fourier transform, Bayes theorem, and all those amazing probability stuff that you might have studied in your 12th standard. It requires a high knowledge of that. JS book in next giveaway. I do already have a JavaScript course, so you can check that out. But yes, more books will be coming up in the future giveaway kind of thing. Okay. More questions. Let's pick them up. Which is your favorite series? Uh, favorite series. I have many favorite series. All-time favorite is Friends. I do love to watch them. And apart from Friends, recently I liked Scorpion. That was really a good series. And Prison Break is one of my favorite series of all time. I loved it. There are many others as well. Okay. Let's pick up more question. With React JS, Redux or Flux? Redux. Redux. Okay. More questions. Are you good at machine language? Machine language. Okay, which one is that? Machine language. Uh, Not to troll anybody here. Okay, so somebody talked a little bit about Spanish. I don't know where it went. WordPress series not coming regularly. Yes, it's a side series on YouTube. The main series is actually usually on Learn Code Online. Yes, it will be coming up. I am having so much of the travel. You can't even imagine that. But definitely. Uh, where did you learn programming? Did you also paid for courses or free from Google? No, I did paid heavily on a lot of courses and offline and online buying books. I spent a lot of money on that, and I'm glad I did that. Otherwise, it would have taken a lot more to learn programming as well as the video stuff as well. I paid quite a lot in boot camps and learning the video part, how to shoot videos, cameras, lenses, lighting, all of that. So yes, I like to pay. Hi Taish, happy Sunday. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday to you, Kalpana, as well. Really, these wishes are always nice. Is React Bootstrap good? Yes, it's good. It's absolutely good. As good as the original Bootstrap. It's actually original Bootstrap. 1/20th like from me. Thank you so much. Every like counts, and the moment you hit the like button, it's kind of a boost up for me that hey, somebody is enjoying the content that I'm producing there. And yes, now we are a family, almost a family of 100k subscribers. We are moving to final that 10k slot where we are moving. Yes, more videos will be coming up. That means I have more responsibility on this channel, and I would be producing more content. I would get more, much more serious. I'll try there to be there. 250 like. Thank you so much, Ashok Kumar there. How to get your first freelancing order based on projects. Everybody will ask you that, hey, show us some of your project, and then only we'll be giving you. So prepare a lot of projects. Okay, what am I doing right now? I'm preparing some of the projects in Java so that I can share in Java boot camps. I cannot share more information about it, but yes, I am preparing some Java projects so that I can share you with that in Java Bootcamp. It will be coming up. Just to give you some inside hints, these are some awesome games. 100k, only 10 days left, sir. I am looking forward. 100k, that's a big number. We are gonna hit that very soon. Hey Nitish Kumar, please don't ask these kinds of questions on public platform. It's not good. Come on, how can you ask these kinds of questions? Okay, so let's pick up more question. I like Prison Break too. We share same interest. It's an amazing series, and the tattoo stuff is there in the Prison Break as well. So I loved it. I loved his tattoos as well. uh, Wanako, thank you. Uh, how to learn multiple programming language at once. I got confused with syntax when I switched back and forth between languages. I would say at the first, beginning few days, once you have completed like 10 or 12 projects, stick with only one language at that moment of time. Eventually, when you'll be moving on to more projects and more languages, it would be much more easier. But before that, no, 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 it's not no. It's completely a no, no until and unless you have it 10 or 12 projects. Hitesh, what is the next big technology? I think right now we are into the video ages. At least if you'll ask me for the education purposes, right now it's hitting big onto the videos. The future would be online boot camps. I have hosted a couple of boot camps online in the past as well. And I think in the future, the online boot camps are going to be a big thing in the education industry at least. Why Redux? Redux is actually much more awesome than Flux or anything that you see. The one thing that I like the concept about the Redux is its store and store manager. They're amazing concept, and when the project actually scales up quite a lot, React and Redux actually syncs up quite easily and quite nicely. I do have a video on Redux. I'm not sure if you have watched it or not. That's a very basic video explaining the code inside details about Redux. So go ahead, watch that. It's amazing, and when your app actually scales up, Redux is actually much more better. Some tips on okay, where did that go? Come on, it just keeps on going like that. Can we directly start with HTML5 without learning HTML? HTML5 is just like an additional layer on HTML. There are just some more tags that you need to learn about in HTML5. So I would say start with basic HTML. It would be really good, but of course you can start directly with HTML5, but I would say start with HTML. It would give you some more basic ground to cover up. Hitesh, say my name. Your name is not there. It just says Crazy Coder 10101 if that's your name. Okay. Uh, Mobile or web? I would say if there is a complete beginner, I would say start with web. Because with the web, you get a lot of details about CSS, how things look good, the buttons and the craft work and all these amazing details. But yes, anybody can start directly with mobile as well. Okay. I'm watching Harry Potter part 5. You watched, sir? Yes, I have watched all parts of Harry Potter. Most of them I watched on Amazon. I missed a lot of them, and a couple of them I watched on airplane because there was a long flight and I had nothing to do except watching that movie. So, uh, I see your poster in my college, SKIT Jaipur. It's really a pleasure for me. Thank you so much. I'm really happy that you catch up there. So yes, offline team is working really nice. Thank you so much for. If you are seeing all these posters or anything, there just click a photo and post it on my Facebook. I would be really happy to see that. Okay. Okay. Bought a MacBook Air 45K in Amazon sale. That's a very good deal. Very good deal. Congratulations, Piyush, for your new Apple device, MacBook Air. It's amazing. You'll love that. How can I publish my app in Play Store? Take a license, $30 or $25. I'm not sure about it. It's just like $25, $30. Pack your code and just publish it. It's not a big deal. Probably I'll make a video on that as well. Uh, let's pick up more question. Is data structure so much important? Yes, of course. Data structure is very, very important. Whether you're learning C, C++, Java, Python, whatever the language is, data structure is important. Okay. Do you know Hindi language? Yes, of course, I do know Hindi language. I can speak it very fluently, no problem there. But since a lot of my crowd is from southern part of the country and from abroad as well, they prefer me to speak in English. Those are big community who ask me to just start this everything and channel in English. That's why I actually always speak in English, at least in YouTube stuff. Okay. Why did you stop pen testing? No, it's not stopped. It's not at all stopped. It's there and more courses are coming up on that. Okay, data mining or AI? I would say data mining because data mining is another word or an old word for machine learning. So I would say data mining. Uh, how to build dynamic website? You can use PHP or Node.js for that. Okay, I have bought MacBook Pro for 200K. Okay, that's I don't know why you paid 200K for a MacBook, but that's okay. If you have already got it, then all I can say is congratulations. What is Redux? It's not Redux, it's Redux. It's an advanced part of programming. I don't think so. You are ready for that right now. So start with JavaScript, I would say to you. Okay. Online shopping good for clothing? I'm not here to advise you shopping stuff. There are lots of other good channels who are doing really good in advising you to buy phones or clothing. So I think you should watch them. Uh, Hitesh, are you a real person or a VR bot? I have to think about it. What do you think? When did you caught my secret that I am a VR bot? Why don't you introduce more free courses? We are looking forward for more free courses as soon as we get some people who can work for us for free. We will be introducing free courses. As of now, things are getting costly here because all the things that you see here, cameras and Macs and all these internet bills do cost us a little bit. So that's why we are charging a little bit price to maintain and keep running all these costs. But again, if we can hire some people who can work for free for us, more free courses will be coming up very soon. Uh, okay, let's pick up more questions. Okay. Uh, what do you think about Bucky Roberts? He has an amazing channel on YouTube, Bucky Roberts. But all I can say, his videos are a little bit like basics onto stuff, not onto advanced detail like making a project and stuff. All he does is introducing of basic stuff onto that. And again, our videos are not that much polished. It's good for beginner. I'm not saying it's bad. But yes, I would say more polishing could have been done there. I'm not criticizing anybody. I'm just saying what I think. What is your app's name? My app name on the Android Play Store is Learn Code Online. You'll see it there. My comment 8, invisible, I guess. Hey Desh, just call my name please. Hey Bhavit Kumawat, how are you? I'm a big fan of you. Please name Karthik Chaudhary. Okay, let me have some water. Hitesh, would you recommend Pact Publishing books? Absolutely. Absolutely, I would recommend them. I have worked with them like 2 or 3 times. I would absolutely love to recommend you those books. Okay, Google AI. Can we make our own AI using OK Google? I'm not sure the APIs are yet open for everybody, but I have to look on it. You are really honest. I always try to be honest with all the subscribers and all the YouTube people and everybody, in fact. It is what establish your credibility. Please say hi. Hey, hi Ashish, Nirmale, how are you? Sir, it's your favorite t-shirt. Yes, of course, I'm always in this. Even at the chief guest stage, I was in the same t-shirt. Okay, you spell wrong. It's Kritik, not Karthik. Okay, yeah, I forgot that. Kritik, sorry about that, my bad. What about Illuminati? Okay, you're still holding that Illuminati thing. Come on, people. Just give it a rest. Uh, Please let me know your phone number. What will you do with my phone number? I'm already connected with you. Okay. So let's pick up more question. I'll buy XPS 13. Okay, it's going pretty. Uh, I'm unable to understand C language. You can try out my course at Learn Code Online, C for Complete Beginners. I think you'll be able to understand it there. Okay. So I think we can end up this because questions are really stopping up now and they are going very slow down. So you can hit the like button. I need to go back to my work where I can start working on my project back in Java so that I can just start working in that. I found some interesting question. Okay, so there we go. That's it for this particular live stream, and very soon we are gonna convert these Sunday live into Sunday training session. There are some testing still going on for that training section. These videos will be coming up very soon for Sunday training section where you can just interact with me formally, informally, just like that. So there we go. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming up again on this random Sunday live. We are gonna fix up time very soon. That's it for this video, and I'll surely catch you up in the next video.